Well, tonight, a judge has already blocked President Trump's attempt to dismantle birthright citizenship for now,
causing even more confusion and chaos around the frenzy of executive orders and federal guidance.
Fox 61's Emma Wolforst has been speaking with state agencies and experts all day, and she's here with us with what we need to know. Emma.
Brent, Bridget, as we expected and reported over the last few days, there's going to be a lot of back and forth here. Connecticut has already lodged a legal battle against any repeal of birthright citizenship. As you mentioned, a judge has now just temporarily paused that executive order from going any further. Birthright citizenship is still the federal law, but there's a looming possibility it could be taken away. So what about Connecticut's state law? Our state has what's called the Trust Act. It essentially limits how much information police can hand over to ICE, except if there's an active criminal arrest warrant at play for a high felony charge or in other criminal cases. ICE needs a signed judicial warrant to arrest Connecticut residents or an administrative removal warrant for things like terrorism charges. Today, state Republican lawmakers put forward a proposal to rewrite the Trust Act. They want to let state and local law enforcement hold an undocumented immigrant for up to 48 hours collaborating with ICE. Connecticut police would also be able to contact federal ICE agents about an immigrant, pass along any information if they're charged with a felony, crime, or family violence or terrorism. Even without a Trust Act rewrite yet, the state guidance is already getting more complicated. Federal prosecutors are now being told to go after state and local officials who they think aren't supporting President Trump's nationwide deportation efforts, which could put Connecticut under fire.
Nobody's interfering. Nobody's violating any laws here in Connecticut. And I just want to make it clear, I see this as nothing more than schoolyard bullying, harassment, and intimidation. And Connecticut will not be intimidated.
I also spoke with the agencies here in Connecticut, which give free legal resources and work directly with documented and undocumented immigrants. I'll have more from them coming up in the next hour at 6, and you can find our expanded coverage online on the news app and this Sunday at 10 a.m. on our weekly policy show, The Real Story. Bridget, Brent.